Hey guys, live from Nordic Fintech Week. I'm here with Jay Nair, SVP at Infosys. Jay, welcome.
Thank you so much for having me. How are you?
Very good, thank you. So, I don't think Infosys needs any intro, but maybe a couple of words about this amazing player in the financial services space and your role, please.
Sure. So, like you said, we are a company with almost 350,000 employees, been in business about 40 years, very strong in financial services. In fact, 30% of our business globally is with financial services. My role is I head the business for financial services in Europe, Middle East, and Africa. Been based in US for a very long time, recently moved to London, and that's a bit about me. Yes.
So you guys indeed started your influence in business in the US, and now you as a focus, and now you're like moving your interest to Europe as well, and particularly in the Nordics. Yes. Otherwise, you wouldn't be here, right?
Very true, very true. A big part of our financial services business today is US, but about a couple of years back, the board has asked us to diversify and expand our business here in Europe. Today we have close to about 22,000 employees in Europe. We are hoping that our revenue becomes almost a third from Europe. Today roughly it's about 25%. So since there's a board directive, we have got a lot of ability to make investments into Europe. So we are just rapidly growing in Europe, and it's exciting times to be in Europe right now.
So tell me something. You guys have a number of very large financial institutions as client, and you have been around for a while. How do you see banks have evolved in the past decade and a half since fintech is fintech? Do you think that actually they understand collaboration better, they understand how to work with startup better, and you guys are helping doing this?
That's a great question. Actually, in the last couple of years, we have seen banks understanding that they alone cannot innovate it. They have to partner with the ecosystem players, otherwise their business will get disrupted. I'll take an example of capital markets. A lot of banks used to make a lot of fees by trading. And then Robinhood came and disrupted it, zero-cost trading, and they were compelled to offer the same product. So what we see, banks need to partner with ecosystem players, otherwise their business would get disrupted. And I think that's where Infosys has got a sweet spot, because we bridge between what a fintech player can bring to what our large clients need. So that's the spot we want to work in. Yes.
Do you guys work with startups as well? And yes. You do scouting, and is there a way to collaborate with you as a startup?
Absolutely. We actually encourage that. We have something called the Infosys Innovation Network, in which we curate the startups. So every year we look at close to about 8 to 10,000 startups, and then we select about 225 to about 300 to come into the core. We provide them market access. But in addition, we also have Infosys Innovation Fund. It's a $500 million fund which invests to harden the startups. So there are two ways we can collaborate, bringing market access, but also financial strength. And most importantly, we can help them get scale because fintechs may not be able to, say, deploy a solution in Brazil or in Japan. That's where we come in and we can be the glue around it. Yes.
A true global company. Thank you.
Yes. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Really pleasure.